seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong.
Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa first stop. Ano ulit yung first stop? Green Lagoon? Twin Rocks. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Twin Rocks. And right now, the weather is just chill. Perfect hour na tayo later. So dito, yung snorkeling area. So mapapalaban na agad tayo. Oh, may pa-kitchen pala dito sa likod. Hi, kuyas! They're from Ape Tours. Kuya, may crab! Yon! So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Big Lagoon. Right now, hinintay lang namin yung kayak kasi naiwanan kami. Tapos, we'll continue papunta doon. Pakita namin sa inyo mamaya yung clip. But now, I'm just enjoying this. Parang nasolo siya. Nakikila ko nga pala guys. But in reality, when you turn, there's a lot of people. You just have to get the right angle, which is over here. Tabi ka dyan.
Sorry.
Nahirapan sila. Hindi na po, sorry.
Ah.
So, kuya, a ride. So, I will update you guys later. Ciao! Grabe guys, super clear ng water. Mas malinaw pa sa kinabukasan natin. It's umaambon. And bawal mabasa yung Osmo, pero kailangan natin ito ma-record.
Grabe, lakas ng ulan dito.
Uy, ang ganda.
Malapit na tayo sa tanong.
Ay, ito na. Holy shit, papasok tayo dyan. Oh my god. Babangga na. Oh, ito na yung cave. Shit, lakas ng ulan.
Lahat ng banana.
Oh.
Natay. Gising-gising.
Ah, that's manghang. Okay. You wake up because it's so anghang. Look at our food, guys. It's so many.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Tired na kami. Ako na lang magdudulog. Mga besh.
So, change of plans. Nandito na lang ako sa aming veranda para tikman itong short ribs ng Carl's Barbecue. So, kung napanood yung vlog ko sa Coron, tinry namin dun yung kanilang Carl's Barbecue, which is napakasarap. Although pricey siya, pero worth it. Kasi super laki ng serving. So, ngayon, itatry natin kung worth it din ba itong kanilang ribs. Wow, ang lambot. Sarap. No joke. It's good. It's good. Malambot. For dessert, I ordered the vanilla ice cream from Ni Hao. It's really good. It's just 100 pesos. But it's so good. Homemade ice cream. Good morning, guys. So, it's our fourth day here in El Nido. And we're heading to the, anong title nun? Anong kainan natin? Meron. Basta, pupunta kami dito sa pinag-breakfast na namin. Para mag-order. And baka take out na lang. Tapos dito kami kakain. So, sana nandito si Ming kasi meron akong tinirang ulam sa kanya kagabi. Kaso, di na siya nagpakita. Nagtampo. Punta muna tayo sa room number 5 para tanungin ano yung ulam nila. Like yung room namin, pero this is a tiny version. It's a cute version. Good morning, Taba. Good for two. Look at their gamits. Oh.
Good morning.
Oh! Did you do this? So, andito na po si Janine T. Fresh from the sea. Or sobrang nice here sa Eco Hotel kasi ang cute ng place nila. Tapos mababait yung staff. Yun, very accessible kasi beachfront. Diyan lang kami sinusundo ng 8 tours sa harap. Tapos may mga kainan na we don't need to go to downtown para maghanap ng food. Kasi dito pa lang, super dami ng kainan. Makatipid kayo ng pamasahe. Kung magbe-breakfast kayo, you have to get the voucher here at their office. Nandito lang sa harap. We have lots of rooms here. So if you're madami na magbabarkada, they can accommodate you. They also have dormitory. I will show you. Solo Vista. Or if you're planning to stay longer, I think this is cheaper. Look. Yan yung rooms. So, madami din. And you have this, aurahan. So, we're here at Kinapards El Nido. Umorder lang kami ng food for takeout. And then we're gonna eat sa veranda. Dun. Kasi, yung mga kasuksuhan ng mga kasama ko, sumakit na.
just a day away. And the wait is over. Ooh, maybe it's love.
Look at that, guys. There's a island doggo crossing sa sandbar. So, I think dun yung goal niya. That's far. Kasi galing siya dun. Sa kabilang side. That's the real island doggo.